Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming Huawei Mate 40 series is on the leaks, and some leaks and rumors is coming. In this video we're talking about the latest leak of the upcoming Huawei Mate 40 series, and it has a 108 megapixel main camera with 9p lens. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. We see the last year launched Huawei Mate 30, and it has a Pro and 5G and a super ultra slow motion, which is really amazing. At the first smartphone which have a 7680 fps slow motion video recording, but the upcoming Huawei Mate 40 series is now on the line. If everything goes as planned, the Huawei Mate 40 series should see in October release, but that does not mean that it's too early for some spicy rumors. And this one is all about the main 108 megapixel main camera. According to people working on Huawei supply chain, there is new 108 megapixel camera with a largely improved optic that's said to be used in the Huawei Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro. We are talking 9p lens, freeform lens that's supposed to take care of images degradation and distortion because of the way the lens itself is manufactured. The image clarity should be a big upgrade over other standard lens on the market with a 108 megapixel sensor. On other tweaks and optimization have been made to the camera unit as well. But the information in this regard is scarce. We are more inclined towards believing the new report as it comes from a fairly credible source, and we have also heard about the Huawei Mate 40 series is expected to feature a free-form camera lens and a new 5nm Kirin 1020 chipset as well. By the way, if the plan of the Huawei Mate 40 series for launching, we expect that this phone will launch in September or October. Maybe the October, because last year they launched this phone in October, and the previously launched a smartphone, the Huawei Mate 30, they have a two version, Mate 30, Mate 30 Pro with a 5G as well, and this phone has a IP68 dust and water resistant as well, and the phone has a Kirin 990 5G with the Android 10 with the EMUI 10, and it has a octa-core 2.86 gigahertz with a Cortex A76 and A55 CPU, as well as the GPU on this smartphone is the Male G76 MP16, and the 40 megapixel plus 8 plus 40 and plus TUF 3D camera, 4 cameras on the backside and 3x optical zoom. And the best thing in this smartphone is 7680 fps slow motion video recording, and also this phone can record 4K at 60 fps video as well. Front facing has this Mate 30 Pro has a 32 megapixel with TUF 3D sensor as well, and this phone is around a 4500 mAh battery with a 40 watt fast charging, also reverse wireless charging as well. So we expect these all feature in the upcoming Mate 40 series as well. So let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.